Welcome to the channel, friends. So today's video is going to be covering the Honeywell Home RTH2510, 2410 series, as well as the 2300 series. These are all the same thermostat. And this video is going to be covering manual override. Two different ways of doing that. Now, I'm going to make another video after this, and it's going to be how to program this unit fully. So to follow a schedule and to follow the set points for each given period of the day. But this video right here is going to be just manual override. So check out that other video if you're interested in that, in programming it. So let's get into it. So manual override. We want to just set the heat to, say, 75 degrees, or set the cooling to 72 degrees, and that's all we want. Now, there's two ways of doing that. And let's go ahead, for the sake of the video, and we're going to go ahead and turn this on here to the heating mode. It also applies if you are in the cooling mode, so to the right. So go ahead and select the mode that you're in or want to be in. And I'm going to be choosing heating. And the simple way of first overriding this is the temporary override. So you come up to here and say the room is 75 degrees, which is what that indicates here on the screen. We're going to go ahead and override that to 78. Now, it's going to say temporary on the screen. Now, this is a temporary override, just like it indicates. And it's going to hold 78 degrees. As you can see, I hit that once and it went back to that temporary set point. It's going to hold 78 degrees until the next time period programmed in the thermostat. Now, you're not going to probably want that. It's probably going to default back to what it was, and you might get aggravated. So the permanent way of doing a manual override is go ahead and type in your 78, okay? And then after that, go hit hold. So now, as you can see on the screen on the right, hold showed up on a display, and that's what you want now. You can go ahead and check that now, verify that it's still holding that 78 degrees by simply clicking one of these buttons one time. So you hit it once and it's going to show the set point, a desired set point that you set it to. So it's going to be holding 78 degrees. Let's do that again. It's going to be holding 78 degrees, as you can see, forever now. So as long as this unit doesn't shut off or you come here and change it manually yourself, this will hold 78 degrees indefinitely. This is the option that most people just want to know for a quick fix and not worry about programming the whole thermostat. This is the only way to do it. It's essentially going to put this thing into that one temperature set point, and that's it. So in order to come back out of this and go back to the normal schedule, all you have to do is hit run. So once we hit run, this here will disappear. So let's go ahead and do that. As you can see, the hold function disappeared, and now we're in the regular schedule, which is sleep. So there's 4 periods of the day on here you're going to see, and we went back into the sleep setting, so the sleep period, I should say. So that there is the manual override, 2 different ways of doing it. One's kind of a semi-permanent, just a temporary, and one is a more permanent, like I just showed you. So go ahead and watch my next video. It's going to be covering the full programming of the device. It's very simple, and essentially you'd want to do that to get the most out of this device, and that way you can set it and forget it and not have to constantly worry about coming in here and changing the temperature. So that's going to be it for the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please go ahead and do so. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.